are going to see this hair topper, and this is for ladies. Now we are going to keep this to this lady. Now see, you can see this, she has a scanty hair on the front side, so we will be covering that scanty hair with this topper. It's very simple and very safe. Now see, we have kept this hair system into the existing hair and it has been fixed. Now you can see this, there is no visibility of it. This is hair topper. Now Wig Designs is supplying this hair toppers. It's very lightweighted and very natural.